Good morning, pirates. Welcome to our channel Bank Nifty Zones. Today we are going to analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty. What is the projection for Nifty and Bank Nifty? But before going ahead, I would like to request you kindly subscribe to this channel or click on bell notification icon so that on daily basis, whatever we are sharing, whatever analysis we are sharing, you are going to get all the analysis as an update. And if you have any queries or doubts, just comment those queries and doubts on the video itself, and so that we can I can cover this in our next session. So today is 5th of December 2022, and let us start analyzing Nifty. So I have checked Nifty, uh, and as Nifty has taken two halts to go against the trend. Now, as from the low, Nifty has crossed first primary, then second primary. Now we are into third primary, and the target is still up to 20,000, which I can see because of this additional manipulation. And right now Nifty has taken this halt, but this because of this halt, it has moved down up to 267 points. That is what the approximately I can see, but still the primary strength is there in primary trend. Bullish strength is there in primary trend. Let us see how it is going to secondary one. Okay, I guess we have lost this. We'll again try to plot it, not a problem. So let us try to plot again Nifty projections, predictions. So this was the primary trend downside, and there was one more, this 100 points approximately, and 99% of the price action is covered in this box. So this is sideways move, this is another sideways move. So whenever price is entering into the primary trending move, the price should run like this. It should go to, let me make it green. Okay, third box. It should reach to third box, and as we can see, during this run the price can take a halt of 267 points. So here it has also taken a halt of 267 points, but still is in bullish trend. So if we go to, I'll also try to save this. Okay, not Nifty prediction, make a copy, targets, let us see. Okay, so let's move to secondary. What is happening in the secondary range? It is like 15 minutes. In 15 minutes time frame, we can check what is happening with the secondary. So secondary has already consumed the strength. Price has fallen down and covered the distance to 73 points, but still it is bullish. So secondary is still bullish. That means the price should continue to reach to 19,150 or 160. In 5 minutes, what we can see is, okay, there was a minor selling trend or minor bearish trend. Due to minor bearish trend, the price has covered below approximately below 185 points, which is not good, because if it is covering below 185, it should complete 267 points. That is what is expected from the price. But if the price is not continuing to fall, the reason could be, or what could be the reason, the price will either fall or go up again. You can check from the recent low, the price should not cross above 60 points, but in this case price has already crossed above 60 points. That means the minor downtrend or secondary downtrend will not continue more, but the minor uptrend will continue, and the price will again move for 121 more around 120 points towards upside in the Nifty. So there is an positive strength, but EMA and price is below EMA and RSI, so that can pull this below near to the 267 points. So let us see how it goes. The minor trend has trend to come to down, but still we have to go up. We should go up. That is what I'm expecting in Nifty. Let's check what is happening in Bank Nifty. Like Nifty, Bank Nifty has taken exactly minus 1x kind of move from this top, minus 1x. So this we can turn, we can mark it as a red. And if this is happening, it is like additional investment is done to the manipulation, then the price has to touch third X, which is coming approximately close to 46,000 is the target which we can expect in Bank Nifty. Still, we are in the middle, and this shows the sideways move. So primary is still bullish. The secondary is showing, oh my goodness. Oh no. Okay, let me plot this again. Something has happened with the chart, not a problem. Let's plot it again. So our dimensions first, Bank Nifty. Okay, it is very easy to plot, not so difficult. So this was the sideways move, this was the down move, so this was the first sideways move, then this. I'll take a copy of this first and I'll make it bearish. So this is an additional investment done on the index, which is Bank Nifty. Okay, and we are thinking of reaching to 44, and approximately next target will be 46,000. Okay, so these are the upcoming moves, and this is the secondary move in between. The price has to reach to this to conclude whether to go up or to fall down up to this point, 41,800. So primary is still bullish. Let me again create a copy of this. Hopefully, so that we can load it later. In 15 minutes, it is still showing bullish. Okay, that is still bullish. So that means price can turn sideways or upside. It is still has time to go down. If you check 5 minutes, it is like from this top, the price has scope to come down. But if the minor trend is changed, then price will move 1% or PZ size. Move price can be taken for upside. In 5 minutes, what we can see is, okay, 5 minutes it is not visible. Let me just move it towards the right side so it can be visible. Yes, in the 5 minutes what we can see is the price has taken this low and above approximately 142 points, 142, 142 points. That means the minor uptrend is changed, so the price has to move upside. Okay, along with this we need to check what is happening. Okay, so there is inconclusive down move. Okay, so this is the plot, or this is the chart where we are continuously plotting Nifty and sorry, Bank Nifty levels. So from this spot, minus 1x is covered. So the price has to cross to this point. If price is crossing 43,252, then and only then we can think of upside. Okay, 252, then and only then we can 43 to 52, then and only then we can think of upside. Okay, so this is Bank Nifty prediction. Let's check what is there in the stocks. There are different stocks: Raymond, Suzlon, Sri Renuka Sugar, RCF, Geship, Yes Bank, Kai Industries, our AU Small Finance Bank, HAL, Angel One, BBTC. This is the new stock, I guess, and the REN. BBTC, just we'll check one of the stock like Suzlon. Suzlon, what we saw in Suzlon is daily it is above and hourly it is above. So some big players are investing since this day. If you can check this, so this can turn out to be good stock. So since 25th November, someone has again started investing in this stock, and this can be safe investment. What was the other stock? One of the stock is BBTC. Let us check why BBTC in the list. BPTC, some big players are also investing in this, and I'm not sure why they are investing in this. What is the manipulation? But since last 4 quarters, they are investing in this stock. So they want to make something big out of it. This is again turning out to be a good stock. If you are buying at this level, hopefully early projections can tell us how long this opportunity window can go. Okay. So you can just deploy opportunity window, which has already has 6% of risk, which is not good. So this could not be the right stock to enter right now. There are multiple options. 7 plus 12, 19% risk for next 12% more. Okay. This is what we are expecting in this BBTC. Why like this? Because this stock is in the list now and you can see the targets. And okay, so if you would like to invest and on the risk of 19%, then it is good stock. But if you want to put some lower risk, then go for some other stocks from this list. I have also posted this in 1000 opportunity window group. You can see this 1000 opportunity window is a group which is made to share different stock opportunities. Like some of the stocks you can see Mazgaon Dock or SCI Jindal Steel. These are in the list, and this was posted on 12/11/2022. Mazgaon Dock. Mazgaon Dock. Let me check what has happened to the Mazgaon Dock after 12th. So I'll go to 1 hour after 12th, 2022, 12th November. 2nd, 9th. This is 14th. 12th November. So from this level, you can see what is the growth, and this could be approximately 12%, more than 12%. So whatever we said, you can get 12% out of these stocks. Okay, so that is possible. Just check with the opportunity window concept, and you can invest in any of the stock, and you are going to get the good returns from the stock. Okay, so there are number of stocks. You just join this 1000 opportunity window group, you will get to know everything. So thank you, pirates, and thank you for watching this video towards the end. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, and don't forget to share this with retail participants. Thank you. I'm still working on my script, so sometimes I get stuck while speaking. Don't think about that, just think about the technical part of it, not the language. Okay, thank you. So let's meet tomorrow in live market.